The things that stood out and made me want to become a part of the Right at Home team and the Right at Home franchise was the fact that, number one, the people that I met with were very knowledgeable. When I came and I talked to people both on the phone and when I came out to Omaha, Nebraska to meet the people here, they really had a grasp of the industry. I was able to ask what I felt were very intelligent questions because of my background, and they were able to answer those in a way that made me feel very comfortable with them. Also, what's most important is I felt like they wanted me. And when you feel like somebody wants you to be a part of something, it also makes you want them back. And I didn't get that feel from other people I talked to when I was doing my due diligence. That was the major factor that made me go ahead and want to be a part of the Right at Home organization.